Welcome back to our next class, second class. First class, whatever we learned, you know it, right? Now we'll go to the second class. Second class, we are going to learn about some properties, some more property. Exterior angle, exterior angles property. Okay. Now, this is a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Exterior meaning what? Outside. Good boy. Exterior means what? Outside. So, this angle is outside. Let us say angle 1, 2 and angle 3. Then angle 4 is outside. Angle 4 is outside. Now, the angle 4, the angle which is outside the triangle and this angle which are inside the triangle has some relations. What is the relations? That is what we are going to study. According to the exterior angles property, or when you come higher classes, we call it exterior angle theorem. According to the exterior angle theorem, exterior angle, listen carefully, okay? Exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. I repeat, exterior angle is, that is exterior angle 4, exterior angle is 4. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Interior means inside. What are the angles are inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 angles are equal, but only 2 angles are opposite to angle 4. Which angles? 1 and 2, right? So, angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. That's what the question tells, the theorem tells. How it is, we are going to prove, okay? Now, I am going to draw a line segment parallel to or a ray parallel to which one? AB. So, AB parallel, I taught you, right? The previous class I taught you what is the meaning of this symbol. AB parallel to which one? CD. AB parallel to CD. Now, this that means these are parallel. It goes like this. Then what do you call AC? AB is a parallel lines. Then AC is a AC is a, forgot. What is AC? AC is a transversal. If AC is a transversal, then suppose if I write this angle is X, and this is Y. If these two lines are parallel and AC is a transversal, what is the relation between angle 2 and X? Forgot, right? Is that no? Last class I explained all those angles, parallel lines, transversal, corresponding angle, alternative. Do you remember? Yes, we got it, right? Corresponding angle, yes, alternative angle, alternative interior, alternative exterior. Yes, got it? Yes, okay, now come here. So, what do we call these two? Angle 2 equal to angle X, or 2 equal to X, Y. Alternative angles. Alternative angle or alternative interior angle, because it is inside. Interior angle also we can tell. Alternative interior angles. Okay. Now come here. AB and BC or CD are which one? Parallel. Now this line BE is a B is a transversal, yes or no? If B is a transversal, I want to know what is the relation between angle 1 and angle Y, this angle. Angle 1 and angle y, what is the relations? See children, mathematics is not just one day learn and forget and go. Some topic or some subject, whatever you learn, lower classes, it may not come for higher classes. Except English, some grammars, yes, surely will come. Some poem or some lessons, it may not come. But mathematics is not like that. Class 1, what you learn, 1 plus 1 is 2, you learn. Is it no? When you die also, it will be 1 plus 1 is 2, it will come forever. Oh, class 1, I finished, so why should I keep in my mind? No. Maths and science, never you do like that. Whatever you learn, keep in your mind permanently. It will be all the classes, mathematics and science are interrelated. Keep in your mind. So, angle 1 and angle y, what is the relations? I am telling you angle 1 is equal to angle y, and angle 1 and y are equal. Why it is equal? You cannot say yes, it is equal, right? What is the reason? I already explained to you. Yes? What is the relation? Corresponding, yes, corresponding angles. Am I right? Corresponding angles. So now tell me x plus y, this full, x plus y equal to, x equal to 2, angle 2, y equal to angle 1. So, x plus y, what is x plus y? X is here, y, x plus y is how much? Angle, which angle? 4, fourth angle, right? So, angle 4 equal to angle 2 plus angle 1. Yes or no? Yes? So, exterior angle, exterior of the triangle ABC, exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Do you understand now? It is very, 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 very important. Class 9, when you come, board exam, one question will come, 3 marks sure to comes. Class 9, now you are in class 7, 8 also is there. So, better learn it nicely, okay. Now, I am going to do another questions with the help of my helper. I alone can't do, so I need my helper. So, let us see. Exterior angle theorem is clear, right? Once again repeat, exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Okay, let us go. Okay, before that, we will do based on this one question, we will do it, okay. Based on this one, because one exercise is there, 6.2, all of you go. Because one question you learn and without practice, difficult, right? Better to learn one question. Now you see. Only one question, okay. 6.21, question number 1. There are many questions there, just one question. Which one? 50 degree, 70 degree, then another one, x. What are they asking? Find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following figure. Unknown means x value we do not know. X is, what is the name of this angle x? Yes, what do you call? Exterior angle, right? Exterior angle x value we do not know. We are asked to find out. How to find out? Yes, x equal to 50 degree plus 70 degree. Yes or no? Just now we learned, right? Exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. What is the name? Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. So, angle x equal to how much? 50 plus 70 how much? 5 plus 7? 12. 120 degree. Okay. There are so many other questions are there. I think we will manage, or we will do one more questions. We will do one more question. Yes, question number 2. Question number 2 also one question is slightly different. Okay. Here we do not know the exterior angle we know, but one of the interior angle we do not know. We are going to find out. So, yes, x plus 50 degrees equal how much? 115 degree. Am I right? What is the reason? Exterior angle property. Understood? Exterior angle property. So, x equal to 115, sorry. This 50 when you take other side it will become plus 50 become minus 50. X equal to 5 minus 0, 5, 1 minus 5 cannot go, borrowed 11, 11 minus 5 how much? 6. So x equal how many? 65 degree. Okay children? Okay, now let us go to the next property. Another question is angle sum property. Angle sum properties of which one? Triangle. Triangle we know 3 sides, 3 angles, right? Is that no? Triangle has angle 1, 2, angle 3. Now our question is, when you add all the 3 angles, how many degrees will come? Sum of the angles of the triangle is equal to how many degree? Yes, how many degree you know already, right? How many degree? 180 degree. Sum of the angles of the triangle is how many degree? Sum of the angles of triangle is equal to how many degree? Actually, sum of the magnitude supposed to come, but it's okay. Sum of the angles of triangle is equal to how many degree? 180 degree. How do you know 180 degree? Sir, our teachers told us 180 degree, so 180 degree. 1 plus 1 is equal to, how do you know? That's what we learned, 1 plus 1 is equal to. You never question, right? We never question the teacher. Is that not? Because you are full confident about your teacher. Yes, my teacher never tells lie. So, sum of the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. That's what you learned so far and you follow. You never thought the question, you never asked the question why or how. So, the why and how we are going to prove now. Okay. Now, all of you know very well that straight angle, straight line, that's straight angle. Straight angle has how many degree? Yes. You take your protractor. I explained to you how to use a protractor also. Take your protractor and keep it the midpoint here, and you see it will be completely from one end to another end. Is that no? 0 degree, 10, 20, 30, 50, 80, 90. How many degree will come? 180 degree will come. So, straight line has how many degree? 180 degree. Understood? Okay, that you have to keep in your mind. Now, we are going to prove the sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Class 9, when you go to the class 9, this question has 5 marks. Keep in your mind 5 marks. How it is going to be proved? To assist me, I have Mr. Charles. Mr. Charles is he is Mr. Charles. He is going to assist me. How? Because I alone difficult to do, so he is going to help me. Okay. Now, this is a straight line. This is a straight line. I have a paper which has a straight line. Okay. Now, Mr. Charles have one paper which has which one? Hold. Which has which one? Triangle. The triangle has how many angles are there? Namely, angle 1, 2 and angle 3. Okay. Now, we are going to do a small activity. Actually, it is a practical question. Okay. Small activity we are going to do. Now, in another, we have cut out the triangles. Okay. Cut out the triangles. Now, we are going to prove whether it is sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree or not. Now, Mr. Charles, can you cut these angles into 3 angles separate? Please come this way. You are out of camera. Okay. Now, here we have 3 angles. So, here we have 3 angles. Show to the students. Angle 1, okay. 2 here, this side. Angle 1, 2, 3, 3 angles we have. Now, we are going to prove whether sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree or not. So, where are these angles from? These angles from where? This triangle. Am I right? From this triangle we cut it. We cut and take out the triangles. Okay, now let us see whether it is going to be true or not. Come here. Mr. Charles, can you paste this one? Quick, 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 quick. Now he is, listen carefully, okay? See, you carry. He pasted the pointed one at the center, okay? And that one side of the angle, it's exactly on the straight line, okay? Okay, let us see another one. Can you paste another one without any gap? So little say. Yes. So the second one, second triangle also he pasted, okay? There is no gap in between them. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Charles. Now see, Charles has pasted all the three angles. Now it is make how many degree? Straight angle coming, right? This all the three angles pasted in such a way, it makes how many degree? 180 degree. So these three angles coming from where? These three angles are coming from the triangle ABC. Yes or no? So sum of the angles of these three angles is equal to how many degree? 100 and sum of the angles of these three angles together how many degree? 180 degree. Okay, children, this is very important question for class 9, even for you now also it is very important question. So based on this we will do some questions. Okay, now we will do quickly one questions. We have just 2 minutes left. We will do one questions. Question number exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. Find the value of unknown x in the following figures. John, A, B, C. X 50 degree and how many degree? 60 degree. We know angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to how many degree? 180 degree. Why? Angle sum. What is the reason? Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Angle A is equal to how many degree? A we do not know, x. Angle B how much? 50 degree. Angle C 60 degree. Is equal to how much? 180 degree. X plus 50 plus 60 how much? Yes, 50 plus 60 110 degree. Is equal to how much? 180 degree. So x equal to 180 degree plus 110 you take other side minus 110. So x equal to how many? 180 minus 110 how much? 70 degree. Okay, children. So this is about time is gone. So let us have a small break and we will back to the next class. Till then, see you.